Hi everyone, I'm Kirby and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Boxycharm unboxing that, oh wait, it's upside down. Boxycharm unboxing that is. Cover that scuff mark on my wall. Boxy. Yeah. So this is the Boxycharm Boxyluxe box for the month of September. And that box is around $40 or so a month, I believe. I'm not sure. I just know they take money out of my account and I trust them every month to not take more than they're supposed to take. So they take the money out. I don't look at my account because I don't need those negative vibes in my life right now. And I get a box full of stuff. So let's take a look at what's inside. So opening, oh, that's not in the box. Yeah, I already opened this box to look earlier and I put like random things inside when I was cleaning up. So I have my new phone box in there, which is not a part of that box, so pay that no mind. But first thing I see when I open this box is Spongel Salted Rose Mani-Pedi Treatment Set. So 7 washes each buffer. Cleanses, exfoliates, softens, and hydrates. Okay, so you get like one little piece there and then another piece. And they smell like rose. I don't really like the smell of rose that much, but you know, I can work with that. Let's see if I can get it back in the box. I like keeping things in their original box because it's easier for me to keep up with, and it just pleases me more. I don't know why. I think it just looks better that way. Okay, it's back in the box. All right, next. Oh, by the way, this, according to this little card that comes in every Boxycharm and Boxyluxe box, this Spongel Mani-Pedi treatment, the retail price for that is $18. So, hey, $18. I only paid like what, $40 for the box, maybe. Possibly. I don't know. Next we have Dr. Brandt. We can't see that because these lights are like so bright, but that says Dr. Brandt. It is the Dr. Brandt Recovery Sleeping Mask. So it deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. Okay. And this container is full size. Everything in Boxycharm and Boxyluxe is full size. And so this is the full size thing of this, and that's 1.7 ounces. And this item retails for $52. And I can guarantee you that is more than I paid for this entire freaking box. So I'm shaking the table because I'm just that excited. Because Dr. Brandt is pricey, but it works. I have a couple of Dr. Brandt things. If you watch my other videos, you see that I have their I think it's their face wash, and I have like exfoliating things from Dr. Brandt, and I have an under eye mask, under eye cream from Dr. Brandt, and I have a lot of Dr. Brandt things. They're pretty pricey, but worth it. Okay, next we have Glow Recipe. This is the Pineapple C Bright Serum, which is supposed to help with brightening and smoothing. I'm just gonna open this. We're gonna open this. Like, open for me, please. Oh my gosh. But don't scuff the box. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is so cute. This is cute. This is really cute. I like this. Okay, so this has 30 milliliters, which is 1 fluid ounce. And this retails for $49. $49 for this. Guarantee you more than I paid for the box. Okay, next in the box we have, what is this? The Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. So this is supposed to, it has coconut oil, and it is leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair down. So if you have dry, coarse, frizzy hair, which I do, my natural hair is that way, and I want smooth, soft, hydrated hair, then I apply this to damp or dry hair and then air dry or blow out. Usually with hair care items in these subscription boxes, I give them away because they're not great for my hair texture personally. But this, I think I may try. I may keep this one. Let's see. This one retails for $29. Oh, that's more than just regular monthly Boxycharm for this one item. So, great box so far. Next, we have an item from Stila. Stila, you can't really see it because the light is reflecting off it so hardcore, but Stila, which is a very popular brand, their liquid eyeshadows, extremely popular, extremely. I was gonna buy some of those from TJ Maxx, but when I opened the box, because I was smart enough to check, they look like they separated, so I didn't get those. But now I have a lip gloss, and it's in the color, liquid lip, and it's in the color Patina Shimmer. Ooh. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Oh, that is very pink. Maybe I can make it work. Maybe. But I'm excited to try that. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to swatch it. Oh, that's not super bad. And if I put it on my finger a little bit, which is what I probably do on my lips, that's not bad at all. It's not a bad color. On my finger, you can see that it's kind of like pink and shiny. It's just like, Oh, it smells nice too. So this retails for $22. So far, we have a pretty high price point for this box already. And it's like way more, like triple what I paid for the box. So the right thing, at least double what I paid for the box already. I'm not good at math. Okay, next in the box we have brushes. And then we have, how many brushes? 8 brushes in this box. I love brushes. I love getting brushes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have a powder brush, contour brush, glow brush, shader, crease, smudger, detail, and brow. Oh my gosh. Brushes that you definitely need more than one of if you're like me and you don't like wash your brushes all the time like you're really supposed to. So you have multiple of like one kind of brush so you don't really have to wash it. This is great. This retails for $69.99. 70 flipping dollars. Really? Like, I don't I'm very pleased with this, and it's 100% vegan and cruelty free. Very pleased with this. I'm gonna keep this definitely. Okay, and then we have this Tarte palette, Tarte clay palette, face shaping palette. Ooh, Tarte is a prestige brand, I know for sure. I have some items from Tarte. I don't use them all the time because like I keep them in their box on the shelf in my closet, and it's like, oh, how pretty. So I don't reach for them when I'm doing my makeup, but it's a really great brand. And it comes with like a little box for like directions and tips and stuff. You can't really see that like that, but yeah. And so I'm gonna open this up, which this is pretty. This is pretty, and this gold down here, gorgeous. Oh, and yep, okay. And that's what it, ooh. Usually when I see things like this, I'm like, who is that supposed to like bronze or whatever? So I'm gonna, okay. Prove me wrong then. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this because that is a really nice color for my skin tone, which I'm not used to in these like palettes like these from these subscription boxes, because sometimes it can be hard to find something that works for my skin tone. But I'm gonna keep that. And the retail price for this item is $45. yeah, so far I am highly pleased with this box. Highly. Okay, last item in the box is a freaking, like, what is this? Water bottle with a little diffuser that you can put fruits in. So it's from the Clean Skin Club Fruits Infuser water bottle. It's a 1 liter bottle. And let's go ahead and take this out. Oh wow, that is cute, and it has a little thing on the side for like your grip, and then it has like the amounts that you should be drinking at what time. So it's like 9 a.m. or 3 p.m. 9 a.m. for first fill, and then it has a line for second fill, and it's telling you like you should be drinking this much and all that. I like that a lot, and it comes with a cleaner, a little brush cleaner inside. So hey, that is really nice, and I love water bottles. And that retails for $17.95. So the overall price point for this box is, who cares? It's an awesome box, awesome products in it this time. I know I read out like 1, 2, 3, 4 products that were like way more than I paid for this box, guaranteed. So this box was a hit this month. Look at that. Look at that. I'm definitely going to use these products. I'm not giving anything away. I'm not gifting anything to anyone from this box. Sorry to say it, but I'm keeping it. I am pleasantly surprised, and I can't wait to use all this stuff. So that is my unboxing for this Boxycharm box or Boxyluxe box for this month. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you actually like decide to try out the box, because I think it is a great investment, especially if you're like just getting into makeup and you don't know what items you may like or something of that nature. Then you can just try the items in the Boxycharm. I mean, because you're paying like way less than you would pay in store for it, even if you go to like TJ Maxx or Marshalls. So hey, great investment. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I get like a lot of subscription boxes, and I've been meaning to film these unboxings. So I'm actually starting to do that now. So please, I hope you like it. Let me know what you think down below. If there's another subscription box that you think I should try, please let me know, because I'm always looking for subscription boxes. Anyway, again, my name is Kirby, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.